Hello. In this video, I would like to show you how I am writing podcast episodes. If you have followed the live stream from yesterday, you saw that in my course, I am showing how to create a topical map. One step in the topical map creation is to get 12 topics that are semantically related to the entity that we are looking. And I have basically, in order to get the podcast ideas, I said below are 12 closely related high value topic areas drawn from the EAV data on, and this is my entity. Write 12 ideas for podcast episodes targeting topics below. And then I have just copy paste topics from topical map. And I have executed this prompt and I got 12 ideas for podcast. So you can see we may pick whichever we want. And for the prompt generation, I'm using the application from Peter Hatterley called Power Prompt that creates prompts. This application is available at b.link at authored. And here you have a different application. You have a different applications available. Sorry, my bad. Let me show you. So you have different applications available. You have to select Power Prompt Author and you can buy it. What I want to show you is this is the application. And for example, I will go with the first keyword. I'm treating the title as a keyword. I will copy paste it inside. Actually, I will select option 1, create a power prompt for topic. And I'm copy pasting the keyword. Now I can choose the tone. Maybe engaging is good. I'll take 4. So the application is preparing a really nice prompt for the article. But what I'm looking is not the article, it's the podcast. You see, here it says format informative article, length between 1000 and 2000 words. So I'm going to say modify prompt to write podcast episode, include information below. And if you see here, I do have a lot of additional information like episode title, description, and I'm going to paste this additional info. Now it's working and working. So I got the modified, I have the modified prompt. Maybe perhaps the length is too much, but otherwise it's good. Let's take the prompt. So you see, this is the standard prompt that Peter Hatterley is using, use Hemingway rules. You also have entities, like here. And the length 30 to 45 minutes is a little bit excessive. Let's make it between 10 and 15 minutes. It's more realistic. And I simply copy paste and put it into the AI writer. I like to use Open router, Grok model, nice model. We can also use the ChatGPT, but I found Grok really nice. Let me just copy paste. We have some metadata, but in general, we have 700 words. Of course, we can also improve that. For example, we can always say add engaging customer story regarding particular paragraph. And now it's going to expand the paragraph. So here you see now I have a customer story for Sarah, and I can just check the total length. So now we have additional 200 words. We could increase if we do additional two engaging customer story. The length of the podcast would become quite nice, and we can use it basically. I think this is something that we can use. So regarding the AI voice, I'm using 11 Labs application, which is really nice. I just go to the studio, press plus to get a new chapter, and simply copy paste it. Okay. Here we have different voices. We can also change voice, for example. For example, so I'm going to use uh, Roger for everything as a host. And for example, I can use Eric for Dr. Smith. So you see, host is still Roger, and this one will be Eric. Okay. Again, Eric. Now this will be Ella. And again, Eric and host. And again, Eric. This is Eric. And this is also Eric, host, Eric, So you see, okay, we are done. We just click convert chapter, convert. So 5,000. I'm creating podcast episode around 10,000 characters long. This one is 5,000. It's perfectly okay. Uh, Once it's converted, I can go to the hosting app. I can click new episode. Um, so this is okay. So this is our title. Here it will be audio file. I can also include some graphics. Uh, then I can also ask AI to create the description. I will go back uh, to the open router and I will say write description for about podcast episode, write 3 paragraphs. I have noticed that without specifying 3 paragraphs, the description becomes too short. Um, I think the podcast name is different. I'll just make sure that the episode is correct. And this could be our description. Just double check the host. We have used the male voice for the host. So I will actually write new. Okay. and I can use this as a description. And of course, I will also create the backlink, and I will also actually, and I will also create, actually, we can take a look. These are our assets, and I can, for example, boost the link tree. Make it branded. And that's it. So we can publish. And we can also upload transcript. So I have already downloaded. Oops, actually, I need to download the converted. This is our transcript. I still need to do this. I forget to download it. So I just need to download, to upload the MP3 file, which is here. And we have a new episode. So this is our new episode. Also, here now you see we have both. So this is how you can create podcast episodes. Thank you very much.